So before we get back into the regularly scheduled home makeover content, I had to drop another budget travel vlog for you guys, okay? We spent 8 days in Costa Rica at 2 different locations, so these next few videos are gonna detail all about it. Now for the purpose of the videos, I'm gonna split the cost breakdowns evenly down the middle, just so that it's easier to reference the numbers when you guys are planning your trips. Now how you actually wanna split it, that's up to you. But yeah, a lot has been happening. We are currently in the process of renovating the home that we just bought. So yeah, after these next few vlogs, the home makeover content is going to go crazy. But for now, enjoy Costa Rica. So this is the main area that you see when you first walk in. 2 accent chairs and the love seat. And y'all, they left us with a little portable speaker. So we have been using this to play some music. And then we have our little kitchenette area over here. So we've got these lights. So it's got like a little sink that we can use. It came with a mini fridge, but there's no microwave. So just keep that in mind if you do want to come here. There isn't a microwave that it comes with. You just get the sink and the fridge. We personally got our own waters because let me tell you, this, $7. 7. Just for, what is this? I mean, distilled. Anywho, we went to Walmart and we got this jug. I highly suggest you do the same. Keep in mind, Walmart is a 55-minute drive down this like, is this a hill or a mountain?
Mountain.
It's a mountain? Well, yeah, it's 55 minutes down the mountain, so definitely do all your Walmart snacks and all that stuff before you come up here, so you don't make the mistake that we made. We came up here, looked around, and realized, oh, so we had to drive back down the mountain and then drive back up, so then we lost like, what, 2.5 hours of the day, so just keep that in mind. But this little kitchen area, you get tea, you get coffee, but we don't really drink coffee, and the tea is caffeinated, so I didn't want that either. So yeah, okay, I'm excited to show you the main reason why we even got this spot. I initially saw the standard bungalow, so that's the room that we ended up getting at first, and then I saw someone on YouTube do a review of the junior suites, and that's when I realized, like, that balcony, I have to show y'all.
This is where the magic happens. Come on.
Right. Y'all, that was the most I could get him to do because he's camera shy. So this is the bedroom. We got a king bed here. They gave us this storage, but ooh, wow, look at me. Look at me. Ooh. Okay, yeah, it's empty inside, but I guess if you wanted to put like your stuff, luggage, I don't know, you could put stuff in here. They gave us 2 sets of robes. We got the room service menu, get into that. Okay, so far, we've had the cheeseburger, we've had the club sandwich, and this cheesecake, and we're about to try probably these 2 tonight, we'll see. But room service is superb. They gave us this little vanity area. I actually haven't really used this much because the lighting in the bathroom is 20 times better, so I just use this as like storage for my stuff. But yeah, this is the bedroom, y'all. Oh, another thing that I noticed in this room, they do really well with like layered lighting in here. You can see there's one here, there's this one, then above the bed, each side has its own switch, so you don't have to get out the bed. There's the ceiling fan light, accent lights, lighting by the nightstands. Just pour the bed out. Okay. Now keep in mind, we've already lived in here for a few days, so here's the bathroom. Oh wait, I have to be more dramatic about it.
Oh yeah.
But anyway, this is our tub. We have yet to use it. This tub right here is big enough, as you can see, for 2 people. When we went to Walmart, we had gotten like snacks and all this stuff, but we also got bleach because, you know, I trust that the cleaning staff cleans, you know, the tubs really well. It looks clean, but this is just, so we bought bleach. And I want to make sure that I like bleach the tub and like get to the jets and stuff just to be sure before we really go in here. But we haven't used it yet, but we're gonna use it tonight.
Yes.
Okay. Now there is another bungalow on either side of us, but that side can't see, like we can't really see them. And then the bungalow on this side, the only way you could see them is if you actually got into the tub and then looked out this one window here, and they're on their balcony. So the coincidences of that happening are like slim. And even if they were out there, you can shut that just out one window. But there's literally nothing else in these 3 windows. So you can be, you know. That's the tub area. It's really nice. It's really pretty. It's giving spa vibes. And then in here, they also gave us towels. Oh, they gave us 2 pool towels. I don't know why. I guess it's just protocol at this hotel. But pool towels you have to pick up from the front desk. And regular towels they'll replace in here. So they left us with only these white towels. These they give us to the front desk, and you have to return it to the front desk upon checkout. So just FYI. This is the shower. The shower is cute. So there's a light switch right here. One thing, so there's a rainfall shower head in here. I like when the water is coming to me at an angle. So I feel like with the rainfall shower, it's like you're washing my hair before my body. So I feel like we were in the shower like this. But I don't know, if you like a rainfall shower, then go ahead. That's basically the shower. It's really nice. Now, my favorite thing about this bathroom is that there's a door here. So we have a toilet back here behind closed doors to trap the smells. And there's like a window here, so again, there's no like vents or anything, but that's the ventilation. So just make sure you keep that open when you're in here. So yeah, there's just a toilet, nothing to see. So then back here, I actually really like that they gave us this too, because one thing that always sucks, you know, when you travel, you go to a hotel room and, you know, your luggage is all over the place and you like stepping over the suitcases and stuff. So I like that they gave us this room here because we were able to have our clothes kind of tucked away back, out of sight, out of mind. So there is a light switch in here too. We got our coats here. There's a safe back here. We have iron, so if you have an iron, if you're traveling and you're only bringing a carry-on, woo, get you these bags. They also gave us a blanket, which I thought was so cute, but we really don't need it because it's hot. And then in here, just more closet space. We got our suitcases and stuff back here. We got like another little window for ventilation. So yeah, y'all, that's basically the whole space. Bathroom, bedroom, living room. So yeah, okay. Look at him. He couldn't wait to finish filming. He's like, you done yet? All right, y'all. That's the room tour. Bye.